Alright, so basically what I'm going to be showing you is how to do I don't even know what to call it. It's like a 3 slice rotation. I don't know, whatever I'll make the caption, that's what I'm going with. Basically, I don't think I've ever done a voice tutorial, so this is new. But basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you step by step how to do this. It's really not complicated, at least I don't think so. But, and no one asked for this, by the way. Like, not a single person was like, hey, Dylan, can you make this? So, no worries, no one asked for it. But anyways, first step. Control D? Yes, Control D. I duplicate the same clip 3 times. So you get your clip and make sure that it's like, you can only do this transition if it's 3 marks. You could try to do less than that, but it probably won't make sense. At least I think so. But yeah, so you're gonna want to have 3 and then just, cut them to the mark you want. Okay, now this is what you gotta do next. We have to mask it. Now bear with me because masking it can be rough, okay? So for 3, it's usually in between this. So I'm gonna attempt to properly make this. I don't know if there's an easier way to make like a cleaner mask or what it is, but I don't know how to do it, so I think that's good. Let me see. No, it's not good. So we have to fix it. So okay, let me take this shit off. Okay, so this mask is fucked up, so we gotta move that over just a little bit. Is that too much? No, that should be good. I fucking moved it out of the way. Oh my god. Hold on. I moved it even further away. My bad. That should be good. It's not. I just put it back in place. Okay. Don't worry, y'all. I'll have it fixed. Okay, what's happening? Sorry. Okay. We're doing it. Why is this? No rotation. No, none of that. Okay. This is good. Oh my god. That should be good. What? Okay. There we go. Sorry. Okay, now this middle one is like... Okay, I think I'm gonna move this one. Just so I can... Tiny bit. Okay, that should be good. Okay, yeah, there we go. Saving that. Save. Now, you can use what y'all want. I use blur mode curves. So we're gonna put this, hold on, let me just put it on every single one. And that's gonna be what you wanna use for most of these, okay? Now, I like to start from the top and then go to the end of it, 0. Open those graphs. And this is not like a step-by-step, like, if you don't know how to do most of this stuff, then you probably should watch another tutorial, because this is really just supposed to be for people who kind of already know how to like use AE, right? So yeah, second one, all the way down, 0, pop up in that graph. My fucking computer screen is like broken or something, so on my end it's like glitching out like so hard, but I'm sure it looks great for you, so that's all that matters. Oh shit, why'd I already put it on? Okay, and then the last one, up. See, this is why I hate masking. Cause like, what the fuck? Like, are you serious? Hold on, let me zoom out. Like, I just hate that. Like, cause now I have to move it over. But it was fucking... I can't. Is that fine? Is that gonna look all fucked up? Whatever. It's fine. It's fine, y'all. No one will notice. Okay, so... What? Oh, it's because I didn't do the graph. I'm sorry. Like, just ignore me. I was so... I don't know, like... I'm sorry. This is not, like, your typical, like... This is not your typical, like, just throw shit together, like, very classy tutorial. Like, no. So, basically, you get your little thing, right? I don't really like how fast this last one is, but that's... Let me actually move it forward a little bit. And then just do that there. Let's see how that looks. It's still kind of fucking fast as fuck. If I can maybe move this over. Okay, hold on. Let me mess with that graph for a second. That should be better. It's not really, but it's fine. Okay, now, this is what you do. I pre-compose, but I don't make a new comp. So, you keep that, and then I double it. And now, I'm gonna put blur mode curves back on this. And then, you can just do like, is 1.5 okay? I think it should be a little bit bigger, maybe 1.7. Oh, that's farther. Hold up, bitch. 1.2? No, that's too big. Maybe 1.3. Okay, you know what? Bear with me. We're gonna start with... Okay, we'll do a 3-part. So, let's start it at like 1.1. Let's make the second one 1.2. No, 1.5. And make this one... Hold up. If it's... Okay. So let's actually start small. Sorry, I'm backtracking. Get bigger. Get smaller. And then big finale. Big. Okay, so you should have 4 keyframes. You don't have to do this part. Like, this is more just my own little thing. But, okay, so you're gonna start around 1.5 to have it like smaller. Second keyframe around 1.2, maybe 1.3. The next one, probably make this smaller. Maybe like 1.5, maybe 1.6. And then for the last one, you can make it like pretty much zoomed in, like as far as you want, really. And the reason that I have this background one is because I'm gonna, like, I think it helps add to your edit so that it's not so like, that's not just like a black screen or whatever. But anyways, let's open this graph. Okay. Now, put the little, what is easy ease on all of it so that we can mess with them. And so, how I do these graphs, I just move this one down. Yeah, this one down. Then I move this one up. And then I move this one down. And let's see how that looks. So, I mean... let me mute this. You probably can't even hear me because of that. So yeah, I might wanna zoom this in a little bit more, but usually how I do this transition is after this I'll do a zoom out so that it doesn't just like stop at a random spot like this. I'll add a zoom out so you can see the whole thing. But Now, for the next part, we could just slice it, and we'll do rotation right here, pull a little cute 90, open that graph, to make sure the frame's in the front, middle, put it down a little bit, set, I think that might be too much. Let me see. Okay, we'll see how it looks, and if we need to edit it, we will. Okay. And then do -90 here, and then 0 here. Now, put that there, put that there, let's see. So I don't like how fast that is, so I'm just gonna drag it back a little bit. So now, what I like to do is, I have a little bounce. It's called Side Bounces Bitch For Real. So I put that there. I'm not gonna show you it because I don't want people stealing my shake. I'm pretty sure I gave away this shake, but like whatever. So basically, now it's like, yeah. And so now what we're gonna do in the background, this is like my go-to. I love to get a hue out, like hue saturation on that bitch, and just colorize. My last edit I did -45, 40, so sure, we'll do that. Put some opacity on that bitch, because by the end I like to have it at like 0, maybe like not fully 0, like something like that. So you can put your own little shake on this half, but yeah, this is basically it. I mean, sometimes like, sometimes bitch, every time I pre-compose that. I don't know how y'all do it, but I double it, and I put some motherfucking edge rave on that hoe on the bottom, and you just, I fuck with it through the opacity. So I like to do like, I'll bring it down to like 50, because I like to have it like a little sparkly still, and then back at 100 for this, and then just put like 0 here. Yeah, you can do 0 for this. I mean, maybe not 50, because like it's kind of bright. Okay, so then you have this. And that's basically it. So then, for me, when I do the whole thing, pre-compose, you just Z-diss that bitch, zoom it out a little, reflect, open up that bitch. Okay. I hate when it does that shit. Bring it down. Motion tile. I have one for every... Oh, yeah. So let me tell you my composition. My composition is 1600 by 180. Frame rate 30. It should be 30. But I guess I wasn't editing in 30. Oops. Anyways. Now, I like to drag that 160 bitch on here, put on that motion edges. What happened to the keyframe? Girl. We're making another one. Cause like what? Okay. I guess when I changed it. So, I also have a preset for my warp out, cause I hate doing warp every time. So just warp out, pop open that just so you can layer it. at that, fisheye. Y'all can steal this warp-out setting, I don't care. Like, but I need to drag this down and bring it out a little bit, because I don't like the way that looks. Okay. So yeah, that's it. That is how you do this, I don't even know what to call it, bitch. I'll figure it out, but this is how you do this transition. Yup. Okay, so comment below if you want any more transitions and tutorials. Sorry, tutorials. If you want any more tutorials. But other than that, thank you for watching. Hope I helped a little bit, and let me know, yeah, what else you want to see. All right, bye.